Hello again, guys. Welcome to the basic built-in data types of Python computer language. We, the Kapamka team, continue to bring excellent skills to share with our beloved viewers, everyone. The data types that come with Python or built-in are similar to those in other languages, including integers, real numbers, logical or Boolean values, and sequence of characters, or strings. A variable is a name in computer language associated with a data type value. In fact, it is related to the temporary memory or RAM. It's random access memory of the computer. Of variables used to keep a data of changing values as a computation in execution or process states. The types of data are related to operators. Don't worry about this issue. We will share this skill in the next clip. This slide aims to give students a brief overview by including a cut-and-paste image from a simple electronics circuit calculation program as an example. The types of data in computer languages are inevitably related to variables. This basic topic is extremely important for beginners entering the field of computer programming. Therefore, it is essential to understand it thoroughly and as much as possible. Please keep in mind, practice makes perfect. Yes, understanding data types and variables are essential foundations for applying Python language. Understanding the data types and Python variables, the foundation of programming. If you exploring the key concepts and principles of Python variables to build a strong foundation for programming in Python. Data types in Python are classifications or categories of data items. They represent the kind of value that tell what operations can be performed on a particular data item. Since everything is an object in Python programming, the data types in Python are classes and variables are instances, objects, of these classes. The following are the standard or built-in data types in Python. Numeric data types, which have the following subtypes. Integer numbers and integer. Float, floating point numbers. And the last one of numeric data type is complex numbers. The next data type is dictionary, also known as mapping. The logical data type, which can be either true or false, is called Boolean. The set data type is next. Finally, in the diagram, the sequence data type is divided into three subtypes: string, list, and tuple. Learners may also encounter a data type diagram for Python that includes an additional type, none. The none keyword is used to define a null value, or no value at all. If learners are not yet familiar with the term reserved words, it would be beneficial to search it. Briefly, reserved words are terms that the programming language reserves for its own use. Please note that, of course, reserved words or keywords and special characters that cannot be used to name variables or start variable names are something learners should keep a list of handy. We are pleased to share the example files. It compatible with Jupyter Notebook, which the creator of this video has placed a link below the video for examples of data types and variables, which learners can easily click run in Google Colab and without any prior pip install. In the sample file link below, learners should observe the declaration of variables in Python. It may or may not include reserved words for data types. The example will also demonstrate that variables can be declared separately on individual lines, or multiple variables can be declared on the same line. In Python, it is also possible to declare variables of different types on the same line, a feature that is not commonly found in C/C++. At the end of the sample file, there are links to 3 additional Python Google Colab files. Don't miss out on exploring these to learn more about data types such as list, tuple, and various types of variables. From the examples of variable declarations by data type, please note that Python is a case-sensitive language, meaning it distinguishes between lowercase and uppercase characters, as shown in this part of the program example. In addition to the basic knowledge of data types and variable declarations in Python, this sample file is filled with examples of output using the print command. It also demonstrates how to format decimal places. Students, please remember these examples so you can use them proficiently. Students, please practice repeatedly by writing similar command statements with different data values from the examples. This will help you fully understand and remember how to use them in future projects. Regarding data types and variables in Python, what you should know at this point is the concept of mutable and immutable. For example, tuples are different from lists in that they are immutable. There will be a separate video to further for enhanced skills on this topic, ensuring that learners will understand it more thoroughly. Please keep in mind, practice makes perfect. That right? Practice makes perfect. Sure, practice makes perfect. That right? Practice makes perfect. Please keep in mind, practice makes perfect by now. With this illustration, learners should have a better understanding of the definitions, formats, and rules for each concept. In this image, I want to summarize data variable assignment, a variable referring to an object, the anatomy of an expression, and object-level traces, all in the context of Python data types. Thank you for watching, and many thanks for liking and subscribing to my channel.